Hello viewers, I am Bhavya from Natural Macie and I am excited to share my soothing saffron honey mask formulation with you. This gentle and soothing mask pampers your skin, leaving it soft and calm. It's simple to prepare and provides a refreshing cooling effect. I am using Sologum AX, a combination of acacia and xanthan gum. This natural thickener creates a beautiful clear gel texture. If you can't find Sologum, please don't worry. Xanthan gum works just as well as a substitute. I have added saffron for its stunning reddish orange color and to boost botanical benefits for our skin. A small amount of niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, has excellent skin smoothing and softening properties. I have also included honey, which is excellent for nourishment. It attracts and retains moisture, helping to keep skin hydrated and fresh. Ingredients. For face A, we are using 48 grams of distilled water, the perfect base. 0.6 grams of saffron, it adds a lovely touch. 1.2 grams of niacinamide, which is great for the skin. 56.4 grams of aloe vera juice, so refreshing and soothing. For face B, 5.4 grams of glycerin to keep everything nice and hydrated. 2.4 grams of Sologum. It helps improve the texture beautifully. In the final phase, 4.8 grams of honey for that extra nourishment. 1.2 grams of preservative Geogard ECT to keep everything fresh and lovely. Let's begin our formulation method. First we will mix the glycerin and Sologum powder until smooth. Once we achieve the perfect blend, we can set it aside. Next, place the pre-weighed distilled water in a water bath and bring it to a boil. Take it out of the water bath as soon as it boils. Start by adding saffron to a beaker, then pour the boiled water into the beaker and allow it to steep for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, our saffron infusion is done and completely cooled. Isn't that natural color gorgeous? And the smell is just amazing. I got this saffron from an Indian store, but feel free to use any saffron you can find. Next we will add niacinamide and stir it thoroughly. Now let's mix in some lovely soothing aloe vera juice. At this stage, we can add a blend of gum and glycerin and mix it well. Now, let's add the face C ingredient honey. You can use store-bought, homemade or local honey. Whatever you have on hand works just fine. Finally, add the preservative Geogard ECT to the mixture. This protects against bacteria, yeast and mold while imparting a subtle almond fragrance. Now, checking out the pH. The suitable pH range for this formula is 5 to 5.7 due to the niacinamide, which has a pH of 6, which is close to neutral or slightly basic. Our pH is now 5.5, which is excellent. If your pH isn't in the ideal range, you can easily adjust it. Add citric acid to lower it or sodium hydroxide to raise it. Once I finish that, I will transfer it into a cute 4-ounce jar from Amazon. This is it. We have created a simple all-natural saffron honey face mask. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and check the description box below for the complete recipe. I will see you next time.